Hello everyone, my name is Lukas, and in today's tutorial I will show you how you can create freeform facade. Maybe at university you will get tasked to create a freeform pavilion or a building with organically shaped facade. In Allplan there is an easy way how to create such geometry and transform it into facade system or structural system or whatever you want. To demonstrate this, first I need to go to different drawing file. Here, geometry. And as you can see, here I have just a couple of lines. When I go to modeling palette, I can use tool called sweep path. And with this tool, I select first two profiles, which are 3D lines, first one and second one. Here on the bottom left corner, Allplan tells me what exactly to do. If I have no profiles to select, I need to click escape and then I need to select path. This is the first path, and then I select the second one, click escape, and geometry is modeled. Here I have it, I want rotation, resize or distribute proportionally. I would keep it like that and click escape. As you can see, simple geometry is modeled by a few clicks. Now, if I want to use it as a facade system, first I need to right click on geometry and click general 3D element to 3D solid or surface. I need to click on it, and now as you can see, you have yellow lines. On the left hand corner, you have a window which tells you density. If I press 1, you can see that the model is fully dense with lines split in polygons, which is very heavy for transforming into facade system. So what you need to do is to find a right balance between something like this, which is really low density polygons, but still keep your shape. So what I would suggest is use 0.4, 0.3, all depends on your model, how it looks and what you want to get from it. Next thing is you have maximum angle, maximum length and minimum length. All of these influence how your geometry will be generated. So I'm happy with these settings right now. All I need to do is click escape. And as you can see, our geometry is split in polygons. Now, when I go to Elements, Facade, I go to Library, which is made by Allplan, and here you can find loads of different facade systems, shading systems, frames, or whatever you need. Right now, I will choose this one. Click OK, and here, Scheme Settings, you can define how dense your facade will be. As you can see, here we have edges which split our element or our geometry into polygons. And each edge will create this frame. And if you have density 1 meter by 0.2 meters, you will have these triangles split in sort of squares because you define that the height of the element is 200 mils. So what I do is I set 5 meters by 5 meters, and I can overcome the problem with squares inside, and the only way how I will have the frame is on the edges of the polygons. Click OK, and then here is the function convert 3D object to facade. You click on it and you select your element. Then you just click apply, wait a couple of seconds, and as you can see, our new facade or pavilion or whatever it is modeled. And for example, if you don't like the way how it looks with the glass, you can use object definitions and in a glass field completely get rid of it by clicking X. Right now I don't want any textures or any glass. All I want to have is my structure. So I delete the glass, click OK, click Apply. And as you can see, right now all I have is frame. For example, this is my model for pavilion design. If you want to use same way of creating facade, but for the building, here I have prepared model for this video. For example, this is a building I want to use for my next project. As you can see, it has floors, it has columns, it has some walls, but the facade is still like solid model. And if I only click on a model and change the texture to the glass, as you can see, it looks really weird. It's like nothing inside, no structure, and I cannot use this as my facade system. But what I can do is first go back, and as you can see, it's already 3D surface. Just use again facade function, select facade I want, maybe this one right now, or either that one. Click OK. Again, make sure your scheme is big enough so you don't have splits inside if you don't want them. And then simply convert 3D object to facade, select, click Apply. If you don't like the way how it looks right now, just double click on your facade, go to Object Definitions, pick a glass, click OK, Apply. And as you can see right now, I have my building with my new facade, which has structure inside and everything I needed for having a decent project for my next submission. Thank you for watching and see you in next video. Bye bye!